Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Sharma and today we will talk about art therapy. Art therapy is a creative process of art making through which a person can improve and enhance his physical, mental, and emotional well being. Now, what is a creative process? Creative process is an artistic self expression through which a person can build his character, overcome his stress, and manage his behavior and also improve his interpersonal skills. That's why art therapy is used in the fields of human development, counseling, psychotherapy, and visual arts. So, art therapy is a very diverse field and it is not only restricted to kids, people of any age group can adopt art therapy. So, keep thriving, stay safe. Thank you.